Starbucks. What can I try it for you?
Good morning. Yes. Can I get the iced peach green tea lemonade with?
Actually, out of peach. I think they're just continuing it for a while.
Okay. Well, can I get the kiwi refresher?
Sure. What size?
I want a venti.
Okay.
And can you hold the fruit?
I'm sorry?
Can you hold the fruit? I don't want the kiwi in it.
Sure, no problem.
Okay. And then can I get an order of the kale and portobello mushroom?
Alright.
Right. Yeah. And that's it.
Alright, your total's gonna be $9.74. We'll see you at the window.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you.
You know what's crazy? They the only people that be telling me they think they discontinuing the shit. Like, nobody else says that. So if y'all just don't got it, just say that. Cause nobody else gonna be saying that. What's really going on? This is the second time I done came to this location and it's been chaotic in the driveway and y'all told me y'all don't have my order. I gotta stop coming here. I gotta stop coming here. That's just what that means. Stop coming here, Kiera. Learn your lesson. Learn your lesson. Why do you keep repeating cycles? But I keep seeing like double numbers. I done seen 444 twice since I've been in the car. I done seen 888 and now somebody likes to pay 7373. I got some good juju going on, so I need to get it together. Get it together. I need to get it together. I just want my package, honestly. Hey, good morning.
Good morning. 174. 166.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh, the coffee smells.
There you go.
Thank you. I had the kiwi refresher too.
Yes, you did. There you go.
Thank you. You have a great day.
You're welcome.
See what happened when you're polite? That's because I had a bad morning. To start off don't mean I ruined somebody else's day. You feel me? Be nice. Be nice, be nice, be nice. Anyways. Now, stay your little Toyota over there. Cause me and this big body Benz. Oh, y'all, I didn't get the kiwi this time. Bye, let me drive. Bye, y'all. Hey, y'all, welcome back to a new vlog. I got me some friends. You gotta introduce yourself to my vlog. Hi. Jay, you're not even paying attention. Hi. You ain't even paying attention. Hey. I'm here to make it. We're at the Sugar Factory. We're at Brittany's birthday dinner. I hate I'm starting to vlog off like this today, but I forgot that I was vlogging. But right now I am drinking Prosecco, and we're just waiting for our table. So when I get with Brittany, I'll come back.
Anybody added cheese on their salmon? I did. It's down here. It's Jesse.
I'm about to tear this shit up because I'm hungry. But what my drink is? What my drink is?
Right now, it's sheetrock food for a while. Yeah, it looks weird. I don't get it. It looks better than it did, but right now it's sheetrock food for a while. Floors ain't done.
It's good.
I got a microwave.
I can take the alcohol in my drink. I can take the alcohol in my drink.
Yeah. We got the
I would like to take
we got the top of the line microwave and refrigerator.
That's the big of her drink. Just go to hell.
So I knocked down some more stuff and then y'all come down.
Your mama did it. You gotta be a what? Girl fight. Not a girl fight.
Start the bar soon. I've been outside the bar.
We got the birthday girl in the cut,
Draco come by if one say up, everybody want to try.
Shut.
It's fast enough.
We trying to get lit.
You still recording.
We trying to get lit.
Are we waiting for the birthday thing for this? Oh, okay.
No, that's another occasion. We doing. We gonna wait. We breaking it up. Y'all know I don't like blue stuff, but they got me eating these candies and that kind of good. Now that salmon was fucking busting. Y'all want to see my plate?
No, that's what this last time. No.
This salmon was good.
Oh, right. I'm pretty dumb.
Like a lollipop. Ooh. Lollipop.
The button. Oh,
I got it on film. Do it again. Bring that shit back.
now who gonna eat all this shit?
What is this? Ooh. Y'all, look at this. Baby.
You guys, make that y'all tag me so I can post it to my Instagram.
This red velvet, what for? Yeah, what is that?
That's the King Kong. That's the King Kong. That's what it's called. The King Kong.
Diabetes.
That shit look good. I ain't eating that bitch. Whoa. Look what you said. I ain't eating that bitch. You my food, devil.
Okay. Down to it. Fuck those who don't do it. We do it because we used to it. Now
Drink, motherfucker, drink. Yes.
I can't take all that. It's too much.
It's a lemon drop, girl. Just something bad. It's something bad. Bitch, hold on. This little damn corner store candy. $2 for $1 candy. Bitch, shut the fuck up. Come on. You missed that chevron. Oh, that's so cute. I'm fucking weak, bitch. Come on, let's take our shot. Come on, dude. Okay.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
That's a lot of shit.
Now I want to see what the gym video look like after this.
What video?
The
That
gym
was
video.
good.
Trying to say.
What is going?
Rock, you in well for.
Where is going?
You must be tired, Rob. You tired?
Y'all how we supposed to eat this?
We need to not.
We
Pick it up.
bought this shit.
I want this red velvet cake. Bring
Get
it
it.
to go play.
This a big ass thing. She need to bring us some spoons.
They all
We
right
gotta eat
here.
that.
What is that?
Oh, we put it in there, guys. Here's a spoon.
I just.
That is crazy.
I don't want ice cream.
That is crazy.
I'm trying to get fun.
Y'all,
You
this
said
shit
run
was
it.
$99. We had no idea. We just talked about getting it all. We want this shebang. We want this shebang. Yeah. Well, we got the shabang shit. It's a
Oh, wait, y'all, wait. They'll now hold your money
What you mean still hold my money?
for 1 to 3 business days.
This shit was $100, so we about to fuck this shit up.
Right. Oh damn, ain't no.
We about to fuck it up. All of it. We think we big ballers. Talk about this. We want the whole shebang.
Got a marshmallow in there. How?
Wanna see my phone?
How? Why?
Here's a picture.
I'm recording for YouTube. Come on. You got dig it in.
I found out.
I know that's right, friend. No. This bitch over here savoring. You better drink that shit. Drink it up. Suck it up. Come on, let's suck it up. Suck it up.
Come on.
Suck it up. Okay, hold on. Ooh, I almost dropped the camera. I must be drunk. Okay. Wow. 1. Hold on, wait. But y'all think, first of all, you ain't got as much as me. Let's start there. Okay. Ready? Go. My shit ain't sucking nothing up. It's too cold. Uh-oh. My shit need a check engine light. What the hell going on? Bitch, you can't say that around Jeepers, bitch. We got PTSD. You need to. Yes, okay, I think I'll see.
Why did my friend look like me?
Bitch, I thought that bitch would bring us a piece of cake. Brand free. She said the King Kong, y'all.
What? Bitch, a King Kong?
King Kong ain't got shit on me. Ain't that what who said that? That was in the movie. King Kong ain't got shit on me. Who about to eat this shit? This how they get folks.
That's food in you.
Come on now, friend.
The bitch should have said the King Kong was $100.
Cause she didn't tell us that.
She didn't say that. She said, oh yeah, some nice things.
You gonna get this champagne? She ain't say
You know how
$100.
many tubs of ice cream
But
we
we
could get?
We could have made this shit on our own.
A whole buffet.
We could have seafood boil and everything for that $100.
It's about the experience. Where
Ain't
else
nobody
will we
eat
get a
this
big shipload of ice cream at?
Nah, motherfucker, that was you talking about. We going big or home.
We going
I did not say that. No excuse.
I thought that bitch was gonna bring us a piece of cake, y'all. Me too. Cause she said $5. Yeah, she did. She got us good.
That's how you upsell.
It's alright. She got us good, but it's okay. It's okay. We got it. We got it.